Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home and garden gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of pool cleaning with the Gosvor Pivot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're in the market for the best pool cleaner for fiberglass pools, you're in the right place. Let's talk about why the Gosvor Pivot stands out from the rest. First off, its powerful cleaning capability is unmatched. Equipped with a dual motor system and a large inlet, this cleaner efficiently collects and filters a wide range of debris, leaving your pool crystal clear. But what really sets the Gosvor Pivot apart is its versatility. Not only does it clean pool floors with ease, but it also tackles slopes and walls, making it suitable for a variety of pool shapes, including fiberglass pools. And let's talk about convenience. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, the Gosvor Pivot is lightweight and easy to handle. Plus, it automatically docks when the battery is low, so you never have to worry about retrieving it from the pool. Another standout feature is the quick drainage system, which allows for easy cleaning and storage. Simply pour out the debris and rinse it with a water hose, and you're good to go. With up to 100 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. The Gosvor Pivot covers pools up to 1076 square feet, making it perfect for most homes. And with a 2-year warranty and 30-day return policy, you can trust that Gosvor stands behind their product. So there you have it, folks. The Gosvor Pivot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is truly the best pool cleaner for fiberglass pools on the market. With its powerful cleaning capability, versatility, and user-friendly design, maintaining a sparkling clean pool has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one.